Hey people, so this is pav bhaji that I've got for rupees 60 from this place that is right next to Brown Bear on the Malampet road. And this is the first time ever I'm trying pav bhaji here. And pav bhaji looks simple enough to make, yeah. One should make it at home, you know. Yeah, so I thought I'll put some onions. It's pretty late, it's almost 8:40 in the evening. I rarely ever step out so late. But yeah, normally it's very crowded, so I wouldn't have got this chance to try this had I come earlier perhaps. So I'll and Brown Bear, look at the kind of chocolates and cakes. Yeah, so yeah, this is a 1-minute video and this is on the Malampet road near Bachpalli. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.